First time messing with that machine. Making these beats. I've never used it before, so just got it plugged up, and now I'm messing with it here. Yeah, over here, you know, just noobing it up. We got record here. I put a few notes on there, so I'm gonna just. Okay. All right, let's get started. Okay. Yeah, got quite a few buttons there. Okay. All right. I don't know what any of it, well, I could read it. I don't know what any of this shit means. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post before and after videos. This is my first official day with it. I'm gonna be sure to post this first thing in the morning tomorrow, so we can get some progress and see how fast I can learn how to use this. All right. Got a 120 BPM, and I'm also gonna do a tutorial on this, because there's very shitty tutorials on this damn machine. Horrible. I actually looked them up because I didn't feel like learning it the hard way, but it looks like I'm about to learn it the hard way, like GarageBand and Fruity Loops. I mean, they're pretty much similar interfaces. I will be showing interface when I get to it, but I only got 4 minutes, so I'm gonna stop talking and try to mess with this here. Where the hell is the metronome? Ah, found it. What did I put that on? 5 is. I didn't want to put those there. Oh, I'm running out of time. I'm in 2 minutes. I'm in 2 minutes. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. I want to use that one. I want to use that one. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. How many choirs do we have? Do that one. And then do this one. Listen.